everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the BTS official Lightstick version 3. We are getting ready for our concert and we got this in the mail. We're gonna have fun with this tonight. Alrighty, Jesse, help me.
Alright, here, I'll help you.
Alright, what do we get in the box?
Let's see. Okay, let me see. Okay, what else we have in here? Look at all these goodies in here.
So much stuff.
Oh, it comes with photo cards.
There's nothing else.
There's something in there. It's wait.
I got it.
Alright, wait.
Here we go.
Alright, so we'll save that for last. Alright, we get a string to tie it at the bottom of the Lightstick that says BTS Army.
Let's check out at the Bantam Bomb. Take a closer look, everyone. It says BTS. As you can see, the army symbol. And if you look inside, there's also the army symbol.
Oh, it's cute. It has
cute.
little beads that you could wiggle.
Yeah, you can shake. Okay, what's next?
Alright,
Okay.
Okay, and
Oh,
next,
that's cute.
next you have the bag to the Bantam Bomb. BTS.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
and last but not least,
They give us an official Lightstick version 3 instructions. It looks like it takes 3 batteries. 3 batteries it is. Okay. Alright, let's get the cards going.
here you go.
Alright, we got the official Lightstick version 3 earn rewards card. Later, who cares? Alright.
Let's see.
Oh! Cookie!
Yeah, Yuki, Jungkook. Next, V.
Hi, my name is V.
Next, Jimin.
Oh my god. Look at
He
those
looks handsome.
luscious lips.
Yeah, J-Hope.
I'm your hope. I'm your angel.
Oh,
Jin.
Mr. Worldwide Handsome.
Yeah, man. Then we got Suga. I'm surprised Jessica didn't say her sexy daddy. We got Rap Monster and Lita. Alrighty, so we're gonna put this on pause. Sorry guys. We're gonna put the batteries in and see what happens. Or Mia, if you can do me the honors and hold this for a sec.
Alright.
Alright, keep it right there. How do we? Oh, okay.
That's a good place to put a battery, you know?
Well, luckily, we came prepared.
Thank you, Carlos. Brought to you by Carlos for being so nice enough to surprise us so we could be ready for our concert.
Yeah.
These are AAA batteries. by
AAA
the
batteries. Oh. This way, question mark. I'm failing at life right now.
It's
It's
okay.
alright, take your time.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. So we have this on.
But first, we need to turn on the light.
Am I messing this up?
No, you're not.
What am I doing wrong?
Let's see what happens.
Failing at life.
No, you're not.
Let's see.
All right, let's see. Let's figure this out. Carlos, please assist us. All right, so now we're pressing the on switch. It has an on, off, and a Bluetooth. And we're still figuring out what this button does. We'll see. Ooh. Oh, this is nice.
That's fantastic.
These is nice.
That's
Just to see what happened. I figured out what that third button does. The third one, it changes the display of the light. This is what it does. Button 1. Wow. Button 2.
And
Green. Wow. 4 dims and comes back on. 5 back to being still. Alright, so it has 5 versions. Now I'm going to pair it with my cell phone to see what happens. Look how cute Mia is. So I have an iPhone, so I just typed in BTS and we downloaded the official light version stick 3. Open. Yes. So we have concert mode and self mode. Concert is when you're already at the concert and they can control the lights, whether they make the audience have rainbow, red, blue, whatever they decide to show. So we're gonna go on self mode because we're clearly not in the concert. All right, so turned off, just not allowed. Okay, so we gotta turn on our Bluetooth. What you do to pair it is you turn on the Bluetooth option, which is that in the bottom. It's gonna start blinking blue. Then you make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone. Click on self mode, and it's gonna ask you to put your army bomb close to the screen. Then you wanna click pair. There you go, you choose your color.
And you can change it. You see? If you want it green.
Nice. Turn the lights off, Fluffy. This is so cute.
See, pink.
We will be at the concert, so we're super excited to use this. Thank you, Carlos, for buying it for us as a surprise.
Yeah, thank you, Carlos. You're awesome.
I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and follow us to see what happens next.
Bye, everyone.
Let's see what happens when we click concert mode. Oh, no.
You're not in the concert?
We're not in the concert.
Not yet.
Interesting. Alrighty. I guess this is where they are on the 22nd. Oh, that's cool. This is where they are on the 23rd. So we gotta wait for our turn.
Yeah.
We'll be there on the 28th. We'll see you soon. Soon, BTS. Soon. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you again for watching our video. Please comment, subscribe, and let us know what would you like us to cover next. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching our video.
Yes.
Again, this was the box. This is where it came in. Very nice. It's good quality. It's nice and heavy. It comes with photo cards.
As you can see, all these nice photo cards of your bias, if you like.
That was really cute. I didn't
It
know
was
they
really
came with
nice that
cards.
they put each one of them. That was a nice little treat for armies right there all over the place. Comes with its own little tote bag, as you can see. And the little string right here, as you can see. Jerry put it on.
And your big hit card, of course.
And the Big Hit survey card. Thank you, BTS. This was a beautiful package right here.
Jodo.
Jodo.